What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. Quick video for you guys because I've been super busy today. Right now, I'm at one of my investment properties. You can have a little quick look right there if you want to see. Obviously looks really nice and new. A bit of the bathroom in here. But anyway, I want to make a quick video for you guys today because basically I just wanted to say, I was thinking while I've been here. Everyone wants like the sexy way of making money. Like if I ask you, how do you make a good amount of income? The first thing you're going to say is, oh, you design an app, you get 12, 120,000 people to buy it, let's say. It sells for $2.99. You put it on the App Store, 120,000 people buy it, you're making good money. All of that, the process of designing an app, testing that it works, making sure it works, producing it, getting it on the App Store, getting people to buy it, finding the people to buy it, all of that takes a lot of effort. There's nothing wrong with it because, making money doesn't come easy. But there's so many easier ways. Take, just you be in your house, for example. You buy a lawnmower. You go to your neighbor, ask him, if he's interested in your services for mowing his lawn. He says yes. You go around the next door. Eventually you go around to the rest of the neighborhood. They're all interested. You start mowing lawns, let's say $40 per lawn. One lawn takes you maybe an hour, let's say. If that, you mow 5 to 10 lawns a day. You're making $400 a day. Now, let's say the rest of the neighborhood wants you to, mow their lawns. What happens next? All right, you start getting, hiring people, getting more lawnmowers, getting more this and that, getting more money, and you're at the top. Eventually, you can stop mowing lawns and let everyone around work for you. Every other person will be working for you. It's just blue collar lifestyle. It's the hard work, it's the dedication, it's the brains, sometimes the brawns, but it doesn't have to be as complicated as you guys think. Like I said, everyone thinks, oh, I have to do this and that, something crazy, something out of this world, something incredible, something magical. You don't have to do all that. It can be pretty simple, just to make a bit of money. Even what I'm doing right now with real estate, like I'm showing you a little bit outside. You don't have to do all that. You do not have to. It's like, it's an option. It's there if you want it, but you don't have to go that deep. You don't have to spend hours at an investment property on your day. You don't have to spend day and night working on, whatever it could be, an app, different invention, whatever it could be. I can't think of anything right now. But you don't need the latest gadget. You just need some hustle in you, some grind. Like I always say, it doesn't come without hard work. But just think about that today. Maybe you're thinking too hard. Maybe you're, thinking way out of this world, way out of the box. Just relax. Google certain things and scale them upwards. Scale them bigger, multiply them, hire more people, but find a way. And don't make it too difficult yourself, guys. Today's video is short. I've been super busy, as I said, not in my normal location. I've also got a final to play tonight. As you guys know, I play sports, so I've got that to do. Need to get some food right now. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Make sure you check out other videos on the channel if you've not seen them already. But I've got one to be making. See you tomorrow, Financial Friday. Peace.